Hi, welcome back to DIY Chip Daddy. This video is about how to turn off the door lock feature on Panasonic Microwave. This is for people who lose the menu or don't have the label and don't have any information on that. But if you buy a new one, you probably have this label basically asking you to press this 3 button based on the feature is required for certain law in certain state, that kind of things. Please stay tuned. Now I do not want to have this feature, so I put defrost or turbo defrost in my case, timer, and popcorn. So right now the feature is gone. You do not see the door lock. So right now I can open anytime. Okay, because the key display is gone. So right now if you want to have the same feature back, which is for the child safety, you want to turn back the door lock feature. So it's the same 3 button: defrost, timer, and popcorn. Now you can see the key is there. So right now that feature is back. So you cannot open it until you press the door open, then you can open. That's all, folks.